Hey YouTube, this is Willie from SportyPanda.com. So we're going over two places where you can get free trade ideas from. This is the third part in the Wheel of Fortune strategy. So the first one that we're going to go over is tripinvesting.org. It's a website where you can find a free spreadsheet that lists a whole bunch of companies that pay dividends and continuing dividends each year. And this is a great place to start, I think, for most people, beginners, intermediate, advanced. The only bad part is it doesn't necessarily has a way that you can filter by stocks that have options that trade. I would say most of these companies on the list have options. Some of them are liquid and some of them are not so liquid. So what you can do, you could take a look at it and see which ones strikes you. And what you can do is take a list of some of these companies and put them on the watch list in your trading platform. The second place where you can go is the Tastyworks platform. It's not free, but I would say it's relatively low cost to open up an account. From there, you can access their traders and their trade ideas. And where you can go is on the near the left hand side of the platform, under their their activity tab. It's the first icon on the watch list tab, and you can go and see the trades that happen throughout the day. So going back to the tripinvesting.org, there is a company that I have in mind as an example. This is not a formal trade recommendation. This is something that I'm just gonna put in my own account. So right now, 3M, in their November 2020 expiration cycle, you can sell the 140 put for around $2.40. The price can obviously change throughout the day depending on what the stock does, but it has a pretty decent dividend. If I get assigned, it's not the end of the world. I do have enough to cover if I am assigned the stock. And what I can do is, since I plan to sell a put against it, usually within 20 to 30 days, I'll look to take it off for about 50% profit. Or if, let's say, the market crashes or there's a really bad news from the company, I don't mind getting assigned this particular stock. And then my next step after that would be, if I do get assigned, I would sell a covered call in the next month, probably in the December expiration cycle. And then hopefully the market will pick back up, or the company picks back up, and they'll get assigned on the other way, on the way up, hopefully for a small profit, and then continue the cycle all over again. Sell puts maybe in the January cycle. It really depends on what happens with the stock. I mean, there's really very few ways you can get hurt, unless like something really bad happens to 3M, but I doubt it. It's a very big company, is well diversified. So that's just the reason why I'm trading that particular stock. You don't have to. You can choose to follow or not. It's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just like my thinking process when I go through searching for stocks to trade. So if you can like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and let me know in the comments section below if you want more trade ideas, or if you want to go over a particular option strategy or topic that's still puzzling you. So thank you for your attention and have a great one.